Stop! You guys are late. Again.
Yes, we are.
Phoenix, go upstairs and grab those boxes. Let's hurry up. I want to get out of here.
Wait, you don't really believe that old story about your grandfather's disappearance, right?
Hey, that happened. The exhibits came to life. They took revenge.
Guys, hurry up. I need to get out of here by 8.
What do we do then?
Since you were late, go down to the north exhibit and grab some more boxes down there.
Do we really have to do that?
Do you want your community service hours or not?
I do.
We gotta see some heavy stuff. What the hell was that?
I don't know, we'll pipe or something. I don't care.
I don't want to stay here any longer than we have to.
Oh, hey Ash. I just got finished loading most of those boxes into the warehouse, but I'm running out of room. What can I do?
Yeah, I was afraid that was going to happen. Just let Harper rearrange it.
Okay.
It's a bit dark and cold in the warehouse.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm sure it is.
Whatever. Let's just go. You'll be fine.
I'm tired. Hey, crap. I'm not funny. Anya, not funny. Dude, what are you freaking doing here?
I was going to ask you the same thing. Enough with the hilarious dramatics. I want to go home. Where's Anya?
Good question.
Not funny.
No, seriously, I'm not joking.
Screw Anya. I'll help you with the trunk. Don't think for a second I won't lock her butt in here. You hear that, Anya? See how funny that will be. Come on.
Okay.
Oh, hey. You can just drop it right there. Oh my goodness. These are priceless artifacts in there. What are you doing?
My hands look not bad.
Ugh. And you're not even gonna help? Gosh.
That's just how it was.
Was it? Thanks.
You're welcome.
Oh God. Of course.
Yeah, I can't believe Anya did that.
I just want to go home, right? Come on.
Where's that lazy worm Phoenix?
He's probably sleeping somewhere.
Of course he is.
Oh my goodness, thank goodness you guys are here. Please, you have to help me. I was uploading boxes with Harper. Oh my God, there was this horrible noise and this weird misty thing. You have to help me. I should have been nicer to him because now he's gone.
Man, Blair, not you too.
What?
Come on. Did Phoenix put you up to this?
I haven't seen him all day. What are you
I
talking about?
You. I just want to go home.
What was that?
Wait.
I think it's coming from there.
Oh man. I'm sorry, guys. Why didn't you come and get me? Any coffee, guys? 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 Guys?
The Natural History Museum. I'm home. Where's my mommy and daddy? Where's my mommy and daddy?